Hello again, students. We finished off the last video after designing our wing at roughly this stage, and in this hopefully short video we're just going to go over again how to prepare this as a template ready for submission, and in the case of our classes to be then laser cut out for you. So first thing we're going to want to do is, if for some reason you don't have both of these as individual components, you need to do so. And we then need to hide the body of the aeroplane. And the reason we're hiding this is we just want to focus on this part here, the wing. We don't want the body also in our template. So once you have hidden it, I would suggest you roughly center your wing. It's going to make it easier when you go to print. And that's exactly what we're going to do next. We're going to go and print just like we learned before. So the 3-bar menu up the top left and print. We should see our aeroplane wing there roughly centered. Remember, we changed the print mode here to print to scale. We have another opportunity to make sure that we are definitely in the top view by pressing that center one there, which we are. And we want to change our scale, because we want this to be the exact size, to be 1:1. Okay, so it's exactly the correct size. If you haven't already done so, I want to see both of these tick. So print to scale so that it shows what scale you have here. That's really good for me to have another quick check that you have printed this to the correct size. If I was to see different measurements here, then I would know not to cut out your piece because it's incorrect. And also the white background is important for me. It takes away a lot of the distractions so that when I import this into the laser cutting system, I don't have to worry about clearing the background myself. So please make sure both of those are ticked. Print to PDF as normal. It'll save that PDF to your downloads folder, and then instead of printing it out yourself on paper like we did with the body and cutting it out with your scissors, you're instead going to submit that PDF to the location on Schoolbox. That way I can download it from your submission, put it into the laser cutting system, and have that ready for you, hopefully in time for your next lesson. So again, basic process is the same. Print to PDF, but then submit your PDF to Schoolbox. And that is all that needs to be done there. When you have finished that, you can obviously come back to your main model. You can zoom out maybe a little bit. And as we learned before, we can unhide the body of the airplane. So let's do that. We'll go to our little pair of glasses, and we're going to unhide all items in this case, just because it's easier. And there is the body back ready to keep going. Now I am going to do another video, which I would encourage you to just quickly go and watch, where we're simply going to make these now into 3D models, because we do want to go to that step. And also we're going to reposition the wing now and the body of the airplane, so it's more of a 3-dimensional design now, as opposed to designing that we have been doing for templating. So once you have got all your templates done, let's now look at how to do 3D in the next video.